children, welcome to VAN school. I am Maithili here. Now we are going to learn the chapter 7. Okay, 7 food and nutrition. What? Food and nutrition. In this chapter we are going to learn about different types of foods, balanced diet, importance of water. Okay children, what are all the different types of foods available? What do you mean by balanced diet and what is the importance of water? Okay, come we will see here. Look here, so many food items are here. Okay, so many food items are here. Come we will see these food items and we will tick that which are good for our health. Okay, which are good for our health. We will see these food items, we will check whether it is good for our health or not. Okay. See, what is this? A bowl of rice. What? Bowl of cooked rice. Okay. Is it good for our health? Yes, it is good for our health. Okay. See here, next one, what is this? Chicken pieces, thigh pieces. Okay. Yeah, this is also good for our health. Okay. And what is this? Fishes, fried fishes. Okay. And this is also good for our health. What is this? Donut. Okay. See, is this good for our health? No, this is bakery item. No, bakery items are not good for our health. Okay. What is the next one? Chips, potato chips. Look here, this is also not good for our health. Okay. And look here, cornflakes. Is this good for our health? No, this is also not good for our health. Okay. Next is milk. It is very good for our health. Burger. This is not good for our health. Okay, chapati, it is also good for our health. Coca-Cola, is it good for our health? No, 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 it is not good for our health. See here, egg is very good for our health. So, now we are what? We know which is good for our health and which is not good for our health. Why? What is the reason? How we know which are all good for our health? What will we get from the food? Come, we will learn that things in this chapter. Okay. Now, by seeing the pictures of food items, we are telling that this food is good, this food is not good. Why we are telling like that? Because, why we are telling like that? Which type of food our body needs then? Why our mother is telling don't eat too much of chips, don't eat. Okay, that is not good for our health. Don't drink Coke. Okay. That is not good for our health. Like that your mother or father will tell, no, why they are telling like that? Then what type of food our body needs? From the food what we are getting, okay, that we are going to see in this chapter. Okay children. See here, food, shelter and clothing are the basic needs of humans. What are the basic needs? We need food, we need shelter, we need clothing, no? Without clothes we can't able to live. Without shelter also we can't live, no? And food also very important. And in these, food is the most important one. Which is the most important one? Food. We need food to live and grow, okay? We need food to live and grow. Food also gives us strength and energy to work. It keeps us healthy. Okay, it keeps us healthy. So, what all we get from the food? What all we get from the food? Food makes us healthy. Okay, it makes us healthy person. We will, if we not eat food for one day or one time, what we will get so tired, no? We can't able to work. We can't even able to get up from our bed. No. So, food keeps us healthy and it gives energy and strength to do our work. Okay, to do our work. And we need food for, so we need food what? To live and grow. Okay, to live and grow we need food. Can we live only on milk or vegetables or rice? Can we live? No, our body needs different types of foods because each food has different food value and nutrients. What? Nutrients. Okay, we need what? We can't able to live by only drinking milk. We need some little rice or chapati with what dal or what egg or chicken curry. No, we should eat what fruits also, we need vegetables also. So, we need different types of foods because of food has different food value, because of each food has different food value and nutrients. The nutrients that we get from food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So, what are all the nutrients that we get from the food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. See, underline, these are all the nutrients what we get from the food. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay. So, all these nutrients together help our body to work properly. All these nutrients. So, with our body needs all these nutrients. Okay, for our body to work properly. Okay. So, we need all these nutrients. So, where can we get these nutrients? From our food only. Okay. Where can we get? We can get these nutrients by having a proper food. Okay. Understood? Come, we will go to the next page. Our body works all the time. Functions inside the body are carried out even while we are asleep. Okay. So, while we sleep also, while we sleep also the body will function. Okay. So, the body needs more energy to work all the time. Okay. Because while we sleeping also our what digestion will take place, our heart will work function, no, heart will function or what. So, while we sleep also the body will function. So, it needs more energy to work all the time. Okay. So, our body needs energy all the time. Foods that are rich in carbohydrates are energy giving foods. So, food that are rich in carbohydrates, because we get energy from where? Carbohydrates. We get energy from carbohydrates. So, carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Okay. Energy giving foods. So, what are all the foods we are getting? The nutrient carbohydrates, what are all that? Come, we will see. Rice, chapatis, sugar, bread, potato or some of them. So, we get these are all carbohydrates rich food. That means, in this we can get more carbohydrates. Okay. Rice, chapati, sugar, bread, potato. Okay. Oils, butter and ghee is also give us energy. It works as backup energy source when carbohydrates are not available. Okay. So, these are all the fat items. What? Oils, butter and ghee. Okay. This also energy giving food. So, carbohydrates as well as fats are all energy giving food. Okay. So, when we are not getting more carbohydrates, then fats will give what is the energy source, backup source, okay, of the what? Carbohydrates. Okay. Look here, so many potatoes are there, honey, okay, butter, ghee, sugarcane, what? Chapati, rice. Okay. So, carbohydrates are the fuel that run the body machine. So, carbohydrates are very important, energy giving food. It is the fuel for our body. Okay. And milk, dals, peas, beans, eggs, fish and meat are rich in proteins. Proteins are called body building foods. Okay. Protein rich foods are called body building foods. They help us in body building and body repair. What? Body repair. What is the body repair? What? Yes, if our body gets some what damages like that, see if our hand get hurt means what will happen? If we eat some good food means it will heal in some few days. Okay. That is nothing but body repair. Okay, and bodybuilding means we will grow, no, that is called bodybuilding. Okay, so children, young children, small children, and what aged people need this, what small children need bodybuilding, proteins, more proteins food, rich food. Okay, because they are in growing stage, no, young children, small children, they are in growing stage. So, they need proteins, more proteins rich food. Okay, milk, dals, peas, beans, eggs, fish and meat are rich in proteins. Okay, rich in proteins. They help us in what? Bodybuilding and body repair. A child does not grow well if there are not enough proteins in the food he takes. Okay, so small children need what? Protein rich food. Protein, what is the meaning of protein rich, carbohydrate rich? That is nothing but what? The food having more protein compared to carbohydrates, fats, other nutrients. Okay. When someone gets injured, proteins help in repairing the injured part of the body. So, that is nothing but body repair. I told no. So, when someone gets injured, proteins help in repairing the injured part of the body. Proteins also help a sick person to recover soon and regain the strength. Okay, regain the strength. Look here, these are all what? Protein rich food. That means compared to other nutrients, these foods are high in protein. That is called what? Protein rich foods. So, protein rich foods are called body building foods. Understood? Body building food. Carbohydrate rich foods are called what? Energy giving food. Okay, understood. So, what are all the nutrients that we saw till now? Carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So, what else? Other nutrients, what are all the other nutrients? Vitamins and minerals. That we will see in our next video. Okay.